This is sample audio from this product. You will receive the complete audio to stream or download after you purchase. Thank you. This is page 2 of the NRCME exam walkthrough presented by the DSG team. That's the DOT Study Guide team. Here we go. We were talking about the 4 non-discretionary standards. That's vision, hearing, diabetes, and epilepsy. Let's move on. We're going to be continuing a little bit about vision, and then we'll move on to hearing. If there's limited extraocular movements, you can refer to a specialist to get precise visual field measurements. If we're talking about hearing, there are 2 different ways to test. First, there is the 5-foot forced whisper exam, or the audiometric testing. Audiometric testing is checking for greater than 40 decibels of hearing at 500 Hz, 1000 Hz, and 2000 Hz. And this can be done regardless of hearing aid use. You just need to recommend that the driver carry a spare hearing aid battery, and at least one ear must pass. For most of you, if not all of you, you'll be considering the 5-foot forced whisper test. This is much easier to do in most cases than the audiometric testing. However, if you do have a patient who fails with the first test that you do, you can use the alternate test. So if the patient fails with the forced whisper test, then you can move over to the audiometric testing and vice versa. For audiometric testing, you will record loss in decibels for each Hertz level. So for instance, you'll subtract 14 decibels at the 500 Hertz level and subtract 10 decibels at the 1000 Hertz level and subtract 8.5 decibels for the 2000 Hertz level. I'd like to mention here that these numbers are a little bit hairy to think about and to absorb in the audio product alone. It's best if you can see this with one of our visual products as well. I'll say this one more time. You subtract 14 decibels for the 500 Hertz level, 10 decibels for the 1000 Hertz level, and 8.5 decibels for the 2000 Hertz level. And then what you do is you add the 3 readings together, you divide by 3 for the average, and this number must be greater than 40. That's 40 decibels. I will also note that an audiologist may perform the hearing test for drivers who have hearing aids. The next non-discretionary standard is diabetes. Any diabetic who requires insulin has to be disqualified, though again there's an exemption option there. Diabetics have been known to be involved in 2 times more motor vehicle accidents than non-diabetics. Once again, people who are diabetic have twice the risk of a motor vehicle accident than a non-diabetic. Diabetes always requires an annual medical and eye exam. Diabetes always requires an annual medical and eye exam. The detection of hypoglycemia is more relevant to safety considerations. This is because hypoglycemic reactions. For more information about the other products we provide regarding the DOT exam, meaning the NRCME, please go to our website and purchase our products there. Thank you for your support. Your purchase of this and our other audio and visual products allows us to keep producing and improving the content we provide.